Today we're crocheting a super cute bow. It's really beginner friendly. If you like it, make sure to save this video. Alright, let's get started. Pick your favorite color yarn, any color works. I'm using light pink 4-play milk cotton yarn. We'll start with 12 chain stitches. I'm using a 2mm crochet hook right now. We've finished our 12 chain stitches. This is what the front looks like. Flip it over like this. You can see these little bumps here. These are called the back bumps. We're going to work single crochets into these back bumps. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. We'll have 11 single crochets total in this row. I'm gonna finish off the remaining 10 single crochets. Once I finish this row, I'll place a stitch marker in that last stitch. Now I'm gonna flip my work over and get ready to start row 2. Row 2 is also single crochets. Before we begin, we'll start with a turning chain. Then I'll work my first single crochet right into that stitch with the marker. We're gonna repeat this back and forth for 10 rows total. Same method every time, 11 single crochets per row. Super easy and great for beginners to practice. Okay, so I've crocheted a square like this by turning my work. Now I'm gonna slip stitch in that last stitch and fasten off my yarn. Next, I'm gonna add a border. I like using white yarn for the edging because it looks so much cuter. I'll take my white yarn, wrap it around my finger, and pull up a loop through that last stitch we made, just like this. The pattern for the edging is simple. Chain 3, then slip stitch into the next stitch. We're just going to repeat that all the way around. Once I finish this side, I'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Chain 3, skip a stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, skip a stitch, slip stitch. Super easy. Okay, I've finished the round. After those last 3 chains, I'm not going to slip stitch yet. I want a cleaner finish for weaving in the end. I'll pull the yarn out a little longer, then cut it with scissors. I'm using a yarn needle. Insert it through here, thread the yarn through the eye of the needle, and pull it through. From the front, it looks nice. Now I'll tighten it up and pull the yarn through this loop again. Now it's even better. Flip it over, there's a long tail on the back. If I just cut it, it'll come loose. So I'm going to weave it in. I'll weave it in right here. Insert the needle. Pull the yarn through. Trim the excess, then gently pull. Perfect. It looks so neat now. You can use this same method to weave in all your other ends too. Finally, I'll tie this piece with yarn to make a little bow. First, fold the middle. Then fold the bottom half twice. Do the same with the top half. Press firmly, then tie it and you're done. Just like that.